Happy 1st of May from Erstaviksbadet. And more specifically, I'm here on the smaller Erstaviks beach. That's right next to the bigger one. That's actually quite crowded today with lots of hikers, not so many beach adventurers like me. So I decided to take up this spot over here, and it's wonderful. And yes, this is the first beach adventure in Sweden in 2024 sea. Yes, this is the Baltic Sea, and this is the closest sea beach to my home, only 60 kilometers away. And I have gotten here with my Scott travel bike. It took me around 45 minutes, and it was first around 11 kilometers of asphalt roads, and then 5 kilometers through the amazing nature and natural reserve of Erstavik. As you can see how it is also. There's my bicycle, and this is the smaller sandy beach of Erstavik. And yes, it's a bit blowing wind in here, but it's 17 degrees Celsius in here. It's sunny. There is no single cloud in the sky. It's gonna be sunny all day long, and it's time to measure temperature in the sea. Can you guess how much it's gonna be? And just look at the sea and the water. It's super clean, super nice, amazing. Okay, the temperature is going down, down, down. I see. Let's check it out. So, 5 degrees Celsius. 5 degrees in the sea and 17 degrees in the air. So that means it's time for the first sea swim in Sweden in 2024. And yes, May month is also Eurovision month, so I'm gonna be traveling to Malmo next week for Eurovision Song Contest. After Sweden won last year, this year is in Sweden, so I'm really looking forward to. But also doing some beach adventures in Malmo and Skåne. We're gonna see how much time I would have. So yes, let's then get ready to check out the sea. It looks amazing. If there was no wind, it would have been perfect. Yes. Okay, so it's not so cold as I thought it would have been. 5 degrees, it's still decent temperature. As yesterday in the lake where I was swimming, it was 6 degrees Celsius. And I'm the only one here that's taking a swim, which is obvious because not so many people want to do cold baths in the sea like this, even though it's 1st of May. But yeah, it's gonna be me, of course. I've been actually at this very beach a few times before. I will post at the end of this video the link to the video from last year so you can check. What was that back then? I don't know, but it feels a bit colder than 5 degrees. I don't know why, because of the wind maybe. Yeah, it's amazing that I'm exploring the sea in Stockholm in May, 1st of May. May is gonna be a good month for beach adventures. I'm feeling it. And soon it's gonna be more sea adventures coming up. So inside here it's sandy, and after that it begins with some seaweed. But it's beautiful. Look at that. And that. Isn't it amazing? Beautiful nature reserve with beautiful beach out on the Baltic Sea. And yeah, this one is located in Nacka municipality. That's part of Stockholm region, obviously. And I think it's amazing. Okay, I think it's time to go in before it freezes because my legs is already frozen as such. Okay, we're going down in 3, 2, 1. I can feel the sea water. It's not so salty like the Mediterranean Sea yesterday, but it's like sweet, mixture of sweet and salt. That's why they call Stockholm. And landing of salt, mixture of sweet and salty because it's out on the Baltic Sea, on the west, actually east, and on the west side is part of Älaren across many different parts of Stockholm. So yeah, that's a wrap from Erstaviksbadet. Actually, no, Erstaviksbadet is Florida Beach. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.